Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss all the important questions from Indian polity that you can definitely expect for upcoming exams like SSC as well as railway exams. Okay, so let's begin this session. So the first question is, the idea to have a constitution was given by M.N. Roy. The father of Indian constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Initially the total strength of the Constitution Assembly was 389. The Constitution Assembly held its first meeting on 9th of December 1946. The time taken to finalize the Constitution was 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The first president of Constitution Assembly was Dr. Sachinendra Sinha. The first constitutional advisor of Assembly was B.N. Rao. The Constitution was declared passed on 26th of November 1949 and the Constitution of India came into effect from 26th of January 1950. Previously the Constitution has 395 articles, 18 parts and 8 schedules, but at present the Constitution has 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. Preamble is the identity card of Constitution. It was said by N.A. Palkiwala. The idea of justice, social, economic and political have been taken from Russian Revolution, and the idea of liberty, equality and fraternity has been taken from French Revolution. The preamble can be amended under the Article 368. Which article is called soul and heart of Constitution? And it is Article 32. The Speaker can ask a member of the House to stop speaking and let another member speak. This phenomenon is called yielding the floor. Which article is related to equal justice and free legal aid? And the answer is Article 39A. Who is the head of judiciary in the state? And the answer is High Court. A Supreme Court judge must have been a High Court judge for at least 5 years. Article 44 is related to Uniform Civil Code for citizens. The Right to Information Act came into India on 12th of October 2005. The oath of office is administered to a governor by Chief Justice of High Court. Which article is related to abolition of untouchability? And the answer is Article 17. And which article is related to equality before law? And the answer is Article 14. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? And the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which article is for protection of interest of minorities? And the answer is Article 29. And which article is related to assent of bills? And the answer is Article 111. Which Indian artist decorated the handwritten copy of the Constitution? And the answer is Nandlal Bose. What was the total number of members in the drafting committee? And the answer is 7. Who appoints the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? And the answer is President. President can make proclamation of emergency under the Article 352. The first Chief Election Commissioner of India is Sukumar Sen. What can be the maximum gap between two sessions of a Parliament of India? And the answer is 6 months. Which article is for protection against arrest and detention in certain cases? And the answer is Article 22. Minimum age required to be the President of India is 35 years. Who appoints the judges of Supreme Court? And the answer is President. Which articles of Constitution empowers the Parliament to form a new state by altering the boundaries of existing state? The answer is Article 3. The term of a Comptroller and Auditor General of India is 6 years. How long a person should have been practicing in a High Court to be eligible to be appointed as a judge of Supreme Court? And the answer is 10 years. Under the Election Commission norms, how far can be a polling station from your house? And the answer is 2 km. The 8th schedule of Constitution of India originally had 14 languages, but at present there are 22 languages. Who is called the guardian of the public purse? And the answer is Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Who is considered to be the custodian of nation's finances? And the answer is Finance Minister. Who is the first citizen of a city in India? And the answer is Mayor. Electronic voting machines, also called EVM, were used for the first time in Kerala. The salary of a judge of a high court are charged from consolidated fund of a state. Whose approval is needed to draw funds from the consolidated fund of India? And the answer is Parliament. Who appoints a judge in the High Court of Indian State? And the answer is President, with the advice of judges. Current number of High Court in India is 25. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha was Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar. Who said preamble as a political horoscope? And the answer is K.M. Munshi. How many times the word secular appears in our constitution? And the answer is 2. The total number of amendments made in our Indian constitution till now is 124. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.